Okay, so obviously it's time for me to have another sit down talk with myself because something is just not clicking right. Here I go again, ordering more stuff. I don't know what it is about the pictures that I see online and the pictures that I see in these magazines that just make me think I have about 100 acres of land to grow this on. So let me tell y'all, when I saw this meme right here, I couldn't do nothing but think of myself because if this is not me, I don't know who it is. But let me go ahead and get started and I'll show you what I got yet again in the mail. So, hi everyone. I wanted to share with you real quick, like I said again, of some things that mysteriously keep popping up in the mail. So, like I said before, I don't know if I'm in a trance when I'm ordering this stuff. But I ordered it because it comes here and it has my name on it. And also the seeds that are in the middle, I actually picked these up while I was in Atlanta this weekend. If you follow me on Instagram, I did do a story on them, and we picked them up from Savananda, which is a really cool store. It's like a co-op store in Little Five Points, and they just had some amazing things. Like they had different oils, different herbs where you can do your own teas, you can make your own soap. Believe me, I'm going back again because what I also picked up was some more a different variety of sweet potatoes, and I'll show you here. I'm sorry y'all, I forgot the name of the actual variety of sweet potatoes, but it's not like the sweet potato slips that we are growing. So I picked up some organic sweet potatoes like this. I have two, so I'm going to go ahead and start my slip with those. I also picked up some organic turmeric while I was there. But I picked up these sprouts. One is a salad mix sprout and the other one is a sandwich mix sprout. And I'm going to actually go ahead and get those started. If not tonight, definitely tomorrow, no later than this weekend. But I just thought it was cool because y'all know I am a salad lover. I can eat salads every day. So to have these sprouts to kind of give it another level of flavor, I definitely want to try. You have broccoli sprouts, kale sprouts, amaranth, alfalfa, and clover with the salad sprouts. So it takes about 5 to 7 days to get these sprouts. And then I'm just going to put them on my salad, but I'll make sure I keep you all posted and in the loop on that. And the sandwich sprouts too. I don't eat a lot of sandwiches, but I thought it was cool to have. I might just put this on my salad too, but it also has alfalfa, clover, daikon, radish in here, and they're really quick. You grow them any time of the year and you grow them inside, so we'll try that. Now y'all know I said I'm not a red flower lover, but when I saw these drop dead red sunflower mixture here, I just wanted to try them out in the garden this year because I really am trying to go outside of the box with incorporating more colors in the garden besides pink, purple, and white. So we are going to plant those this summer though. Sunflowers are summer and they range from 4 to 6 feet tall. So I thought that those would be pretty. Now, last year I ordered a bean tower and I'll try to pop a picture up here. But let me tell y'all, I had a bean tower and I used it and now I can't find the main piece that goes to it. I'm not making any assumptions because I don't have any evidence, but I just went ahead and got another one because I couldn't find the main piece. So with that said, I had ordered these seeds in my defense last year, but they just came in this weekend. And these are the garden beans muscat. I don't know how you say it, but I'll try to flash a picture up of these. And then I also have the bean algarve right here. And then I also have some dragon tongue beans. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram grow these, but I just think the bean itself is really pretty. Now I'm not going to go all the beans on my bean tower. I still have cattle panels that I can have them trail under, but these are okay. So one I know is good for the patio and pots, and then one is also an actual pole bean. Let me tell y'all what I like about Baker Creek seeds. I like that they always give you free seeds to try. Seeds that you may not have ordered, but you can definitely try. So with my order from Baker Creek, I have the dark purple opal basil here. And then I also have some bee balm lemon, which I definitely would love to try this. So those were the free seeds that were included with the order. And then I have more, but some of them are just like a repeat of other stuff. But I thought it was cool to try to grow marshmallow this year. And then this dazzling blue kale. Y'all know I love any type of kale. I will add them in my salad. I will cook them by themselves, and I will put them in my smoothies. Like, I can never get enough kale, but I thought the color of those growing in the garden would be beautiful. And then I have grown bok choy before, but this is the purple Lady Bok choy that I would love to try in the garden. But let me tell y'all, and let me show y'all what I also ordered from Baker Creek that I'm going to try to use as a little tool, because sometimes, y'all, I'm all over the place, as you can tell. But this was $5, and I've heard a lot about the Clyde's Garden Planner. So if you have one, let me know below if you use it and how you like it. But I thought it was cool. It's pretty simple to use. You kind of look and find out your what is it, first and last frost based on your zone, and you just kind of slide the calendar, or not the calendar, but slide this little tool over, and it'll give you just some good things on when to plant. You got your fall on one side, and then you have the spring on another side of the different things to plant. So I'm excited to try that, and so this way I can kind of keep up with things a little bit better. But I told y'all I was going to try to succession plant this year instead of trying to plant everything at one time. So again, y'all, this is just a small seed order that I have coming, that I had come in. And I have a stack, okay, a stack of garden books that continue to come in. I know they probably got in their database. Send it to her, she'll order. Just send her all of the garden books, because I don't like to order from just one company. I like to order from different companies, and I'm telling y'all, I just got a stack. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.